Hi everyone, welcome to this channel again. In this video, we will see how to trade in HDFC AMC stock in this July series. You can see from the trend, the stock has almost run up 40% in the last 2 months, and apart from that, the big spike is that in this day alone, that is the video was shot on 30th June, and this day alone, the stock has almost moved up 11%. The previous close was around 2070, we can say, and it has crossed almost 200 points, and the stock is up 11% on a single day. With this beautiful rally, we have we have an attractive opportunity to trade in this stock, and let us see what it is. So before going to see the strategy, let us understand why it has spiked up 11% on this single day. So this is the news. The news is not only for the HDFC AMC, it is for all other asset management companies in India. So with this news, all the AMC companies in India have surged almost 8 to 13% on the single day. The news is that the market regulator SEBI has deferred its decision to rationalize the total expense ratio. Total expense ratio is the expenses that the mutual fund company is charging on the investors to buy their funds or to invest on their funds either through SIP or direct investments. So they generally charge at a ratio of around 1 to 1.5 percentage. It depends, it varies on the fund houses, it varies on the funds that you invest. So they have been charging around 1 to 1.5 percentage of the total asset you are investing with them, irrespective of the loss or profit you make. So this is the total expense ratio they have been charging, and it is one of the main revenue part for AMC companies. The news is that the SEBI board was expected to redefine this total expense ratio by bringing more charges or more regulations on this TER for the AMCs, which was a big concern for the AMC companies, and it was feared that it will affect their revenue by almost 20 to 30 percentage. To the positive surprise, the SEBI has not announced immediately any rationalization or any new regulation on the total expense ratio. The mutual fund industries can continue to charge the TER on the investors, and they have also hinted that they are going to defer this regulation and they will come up with a second proposal on paper, and they have hinted that the new proposal would be less stringent than the earlier one which they have been discussing. So this is a big relief for the AMC companies, and because of this news, almost all the AMC companies in India, the stocks of all the AMC companies have surged in this day. Now coming back to the chart, so we know this is a news based rally. So let us see where the resistance is there for this stock. There is a little resistance at this 2300 level, and the next resistance you could see is around 2500 level. So you can see a clear resistance around 2480 or 2500 level. So since the stock has rallied almost 40% in the last 2 months, and on a single day the stock has surged 11%, and this is a news based rally, and SEBI has also confirmed that they are not going to cancel the regulation on total expense ratio. They're only going to defer, and they are going to come back with a better solution. So we can see a limited upside from here. So we can take a comfortable position. We can sell the far away call options. Now on this day, we don't have liquidity above 2360. 2360 is just 5% away, so we cannot take a trade on that. So what we can do is that we can wait for Monday for the stock to open up, to have some liquidity in the options at the strike point around 2500. So this 2500 is still 10% far away from this place, and there is very unlikely that the stock is going to cross 2500 within this July expiry. So we can sell the call options at 2500. Now from the premium available for this strike point, you can see we are 2360 strike point is trading at a premium of around 50 rupees. The lot size is 300. If you sell one lot of 2500 and above call option at around 20 rupees premium, you can easily get 6000 per lot. So we are selling. So the margin required is around 63 or 64,000. For a margin of 64,000, you are getting almost 6,000 rupees as the, you are collecting almost 6,000 rupees as the premium, which is 10 percentage of the, which is 10 percentage of your investment, which is a very attractive bet and a very safe strategy to go ahead with HDFC AMC stock in this July expiry. So this is what I'm going to do when the market opens on Monday. I'm going to sell far away call options above 2,500. If it is trading at, I'm sure it is going to be available at an attractive premium of around 20 rupees, 15 to 20 rupees. That is still an attractive premium considering the lot size and the margin it is asking for. You can easily make a 8 to 10% return in this month in this stock at the moment. So this makes an attractive strategy to sell the call options at HDFC AMC stock for this July series. For more such strategies, follow this channel. Thank you for watching.